The tracks have arrived, finally. We are back here at Knott's Berry Farm to give you guys some construction updates, whether it's park updates and Knott's Scary Farm updates and some MonteZOOma's updates. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go. Dude, one of the biggest tributes is right there. Sheriff Wheeler, dude. Rest in peace. Our condolences to the family. I love that they have his banner up. And also, look at it. It's always good to see a little bit of Scary Farm. All right, guys, Dillard's is back. Look at it, we got Dillard's Medicine Show, and the front facade is here. Look at this. Yeah, capturing the Old West. All right, now that is what I'm talking about. Now I need them to swing over. See, it'd be better when they're dancing and swinging. Now, as we enter into Knott's Berry Farm, we get a little bit of construction updates right here. We got some paint job happening. One's going to be primered. One's actually look like they're being painted. It kind of looks like they're just doing a refresh work. No grab and go and no gift shop. Ghost Town Alive, I cannot wait. It's going to be fantastic. I'm going to be here on opening day because I actually want to see the story. There's been a lot of cutbacks. So I kind of want to see what Ghost Town Alive is going to bring to us. There's going to be webbing of different stories around. I'm going to be filming and trying to get to you guys every bit of information as possible for this new storyline. There's no way Knott's Berry Farm just dropped the ball on the Ghost Town Alive merch. That merch was from last year. All right, so look at Eddie Soto must be very happy. We got a Loungefly, a brand new Loungefly backpack here at the camp store. It is the Camp Snoopy clock. Dude, Eddie, Loungefly needs to reach out to you and actually get you this Loungefly backpack. All right, so all we're missing is the jail right here for Ghost Town Alive. All right, so here at the Calico Gazette, they have some amazing pictures here hung up from Ghost Town Alive. And of course, long live and rest in peace to our amazing sheriff here, of newspaper articles here. And man, I love the fact that it says Strange Fog linked to Sarah Marshall, dude. All right, look at this. We have our catawampus. So right here, dude, at the Fireman's Brigade, this is actually big breaking news in a sense because the turkey leg is no longer on the dining plan for Knott's Berry Farm. All right, so this is where the entertainment's going to be at for Cameo Kate during Ghost Town Alive. Now, during Ghost Town Alive, the town hall right there is the epicenter for everything happening for Ghost Town Alive. We get another hint of Ghost Town Alive right there. There is a shovel with a bow on it. That's going to be possibly part of the story for Ghost Town Alive. And also we got the Hoedown sign up. It was actually fantastic. Yesterday, they had the dress rehearsal for Ghost Town Alive, and we got to be here. Look at this. This was absolutely amazing. That was a moment to definitely see all of our friends at Ghost Town Alive. So from last year, Honest Tiny's legitimate business is back. No questions asked ever. Check this out. In memoriam of Milton Chester Howe, the mayor himself. Oh no, what happened to the mayor? Beloved civil servant, whoa Nelly. 1837 to 1894. My gosh, our mayor is gone. All right, welcome to the grab and go that's rarely ever used or rarely ever open. Right here at the refresh station. Oh my gosh, they are actually doing the roofing now. It actually looks like an extension out, so they're actually extending out the refresh station. Dude, there's so much work happening. They're getting the shingles up there. Looks like they're working on the back part as well too, so the roofing is being done. Let's go. It's almost there. All right, and then right there, the Pony Express is currently down. Until this day. Dude, behind these doors, are they doing some auditions for Knott's Scary Farm? Oh, I see some people walk in there dressed all in black. Always good seeing you. I know, the candy looks great, right? Well, it's always, look at it. Yeah, I know. We gotta get some boysenberry candy. We have to. Always great to see you. Where's Bronny at today? Oh, that's right. We just came here to see Moxie, 100%. Well, it's always great to see you. All right, so a lot of the truss work is being done over at the stage. So the stage is now set for Ghost Town Alive and Knott's Summer Nights. And also too, the K is back here at the Summer Nights Calico Mine Stage as well too. So that right there is being set. More barrels that we understand that we've always seen during Knott's live stream for Scary Farm, the barrel stream. All right, I would say, yeah, needs a lot of work. It just looks like an afterthought. All right, so we just rode the sky cap. Like, I love actually seeing the accelerator go up. Look at my face. There's still no updates anywhere around, but it was cool just to ride the sky cabin. I love it. If it's a hot day here at Knott's Berry Farm, sky cabin is a major must. All right, so this is odd to actually see no one here. But again, early in the morning, need a rope drop as much as you can on a regular day like this. Rope drop, that way you don't have to worry about a giant line. But once 12 or 1 o'clock hits, this is gonna be crazy. Oh, look at this, a brand new meet and greet. This is amazing. They finally get a background for you. Look at this. That looks amazing. It's all for you. It's only for you. That's right. Now this actually looks like an actual meet and greet for the characters. They have their own background. Now I do like the background because it is kind of more three-dimensional, so that is pretty cool. Dude, not bad at all, dude. They're doing a lot of work here. Well, the possible former headquarters for the Peanuts gang is actually here. There's a whole lot of hustle and bustle right there, dude. Now, we're filming this in 2 different days, so you can see the 2 different shirts. Dude, that's awesome. That's breaking news in a sense. Now, what do you guys think? There's a little circle right there. What do you guys think? Is that going to be another airmail that's going to finally be there? The camp bus is going to be there? Or are we getting a brand new attraction? I'm unsure about that. Let me know in the chat. The tracks have arrived, finally. Well, look at, there we have it. The walls are down at Monte. Look at this. Dude, I don't know if it's just me, but look at it. Actually, look at it. Moved again, and it moved again. I don't know if there's pushing this thing over or pushing this thing back this way. I'm unsure about that, but that's funny. First off, it was this one. Now it's this one right here. All right, guys, let's talk about MonteZOOMa. Now, there it is. At La Palma, we had all the tracks being laid out. They were actually being sandblasted, primered, and painted. But now it's officially on site. We finally get our first look of MonteZOOMa being inside. Now, I think at the most part, we're looking at about 1 to maybe 3 to 4 days until we finally start seeing it go vertical. Are you guys excited? I am beyond excited. I cannot wait to see MonteZOOMa go vertical and we start seeing the loop-de-loop. See, that is how to gauge your interest. Look at this, no line jumping, but look at that, that's dope. All right, guys, let me know in the chat, what in the world are those from? Now it's time to start talking about some scary farm updates. They're right there, dude. More and more can we start seeing the possible Arkham Asylum coming to Knott's Berry Farm. Again, that is speculation. I don't know for sure yet, but I'm excited. I'm trying to manifest it inside of the park, but we finally get a little archway. We're getting more and more pieces added to this facade, and we get even more textures added to the facade, and it's actually getting more painted. We got some framework going as well. Wow. There's a lot of everything happening right now here at Knott's Berry Farm for Scary Farm, for the former Bloodline attraction. Now, what do you guys think in the chat below? What is this attraction going to be? All right, guys, that is it for today's awesome adventure here at Knott's Berry Farm. We had a lot to cover. I hope you guys totally enjoyed this video. Give this video an awesome thumbs up. Now, if you guys love coverage content like this, make sure right now you guys are subscribed if you guys haven't just about yet. And now we are onward to the next fun adventure. Let's go.